Hey, this is JR here in the Kicker booth at CES 2019, and right here are the new CX series of Kicker amplifiers. These are already some of the best-selling amplifiers we've ever seen, certainly that Kicker's ever made, and we're very happy with them. There really wasn't a need to change them or fix them or anything like that, so all Kicker did was make them just a little bit better. One thing is they're now 1 ohm stable, which makes them more compatible with whatever combination of subwoofers and voice coils you want to use. They've also, they know that a lot of people are going to use these amplifiers with factory radios. You can still make your system sound great with an amplifier. Their amplifiers are now more compatible with more factory radios. Even if you have a premium system with amplified speakers in your factory OEM radio, sometimes that's a little too much to hook an amplifier up to. These can handle it, as well as they will always turn on and off with your new radio, even if you have a very low voltage signal for turn on, meaning you don't have to run an extra wire to connect it to your factory radio to turn the amp on and off when you turn your car on and off. It'll do it automatically, and it'll do it better than it's ever done it before. One last thing, the 4-channel amplifiers are definitely more powerful at 4 ohms, and they can be now turned into a legitimate 3-channel amplifier. So 2 channels can be used to power your front speakers, and then you can take the rear 2 channels and bridge them to power a sub. You've been able to do that before, but what's better about it now is you can plug in a remote sub-level control, and it will control the bridged 2 channels that are powering your subwoofer. That's not something you could do on previous 4-channel CX amplifiers. So new and improved CX amplifiers, they're still just as great as they've always been, and now they're better.